Life first. Safety first. Training precisely. Guarding the sky. Hello everyone. Welcome to the class of Emergency Response Training course. I am the main teacher of this course, Guiyu Meng. With the rapid development of flight technology, flight safety has been further improved. However, natural disasters, mechanical failures, and other unforeseen emergencies may still occur. In order to effectively respond to possible emergencies and enhance the emergency response capability of the aircrew and ground staff, we have carefully designed this course. Emergency Response Training has a total of 72 hours and 4 credits. 36 hours online, 2 credits, is open to sophomore students and aims to improve civil aviation personnel in the face of emergency responsibility to ensure the safety of passengers and crew members through a variety of teaching methods, such as theoretical explanation, simulation exercise and case analysis. This course enables students to fully grasp the identification, judgment, reporting and disposal process of various types of emergency situations in flight, so as to ensure that they can take actions quickly, accurately and orderly in emergency situations, and ensure aviation safety to the maximum extent. At the same time, cooperate with Jiangxi Airlines to complete the operation and explanation of emergency equipment, to ensure that various tasks can be carried out quickly and correctly in emergency situations. Knowledge objectives: understand and master the basic theory of aviation emergency response. Understand the definition, classification, disposal procedures, and countermeasures of various emergencies. Skill objectives: be familiar with the operation of all kinds of aerial safety equipment, such as oxygen masks, life vests, slides, etc., as well as the opening and use of emergency exits. Improve the response speed and teamwork ability in real emergency situations through simulation exercises. Quality objectives: master the skills of calming the passengers' emotions and maintaining the order of the cabin to ensure the smooth progress of emergency evacuation. Cultivate good psychological quality. Be able to keep calm under high-pressure environment and effectively deal with emergencies. The course covers the whole process, from identifying potential emergency situations to correctly implementing emergency procedures, including aircraft emergency equipment usage, disposal of illegal interference, disposal of air turbulence, disposal principles of depressurization, fire disposal, emergency evacuation, and wilderness survival. The mastery and skillful application of these skills can significantly improve the efficiency of disposals of emergency, reduce the risk of accidents, and ensure the safe operation of flights. We will learn how to quickly identify these situations and understand the specific impact of each on flight safety. The speed of emergency response is the key index to measure the disposal capacity. In an aviation emergency, quick decisions and actions can directly affect the lives of passengers and crew. The course design will include a series of simulation exercises to improve students' decision-making speed and action efficiency under pressure through simulation exercises, such as quickly assessing emergency situations, prioritizing, and executing emergency procedures. Students will develop the ability to remain calm and act quickly when time is tight. At the same time, the course will emphasize the importance of teamwork, and through collaborative exercises, simulating different roles and responsibilities, participants will learn how to establish effective communication channels in emergency situations, clearly assign tasks, and ensure the accurate transmission of information to improve the overall response efficiency in the face of sudden emergencies. Maintaining mental stability and the ability to cope with stress are equally important. Modular teaching content. Emergency response training knowledge and skills are broken down into manageable, interrelated units, one specific topic per project, so that participants can gradually build a comprehensive understanding. The modular teaching content aims to Decompose the complex knowledge of aircraft emergency response into small units that are easy to understand and master. These units cover all aspects, from emergency identification to actual operation, including emergency signal identification, safety equipment introduction, emergency disposal procedures, special situation disposals, etc. Combine theory with practice. The course is divided into theoretical knowledge and practical operation. The theoretical part covers the knowledge points of various projects and case analysis, etc. The practical part is completed jointly by teachers and students, including practical operation, simulation exercise, and team cooperation training. At the same time, the clarity and consistency of the teaching content are the key to ensure that learners can convert knowledge into practical skills. Situational simulation and interactive teaching. Through situational simulation and interactive teaching, this course can enhance learners' ability to cope with emergencies. Students play the roles of passengers and crew members in groups to simulate the response to different emergency situations, enhance the ability to collaborate through team activities and understand the importance of teamwork in a crisis. After the simulation, students are guided to sum up experience and learn from each other, and teachers give targeted guidance. Hierarchical teaching and individualized tutorship. This course takes into account the students' different backgrounds and learning needs, and the teaching design will implement hierarchical and personalized tutoring, basic and advanced. The basic course covers all trainees and helps everyone understand and master basic emergency knowledge. The advanced course provides more in-depth training for experienced or flight attendants. Personalized coaching, provide one-on-one online and offline coaching for the students' weaknesses to ensure that each interested student can be promoted where needed. Self-assessment tools, provide an online self-assessment tool to help learners understand their progress and develop a personalized training plan for follow-up learning. Through the above teaching design, the Emergency Response Training course provides students with a comprehensive and three-dimensional learning experience, ensuring that they can take prompt and accurate actions in the face of real emergencies. Teaching methods. Teaching method. Teach students the theoretical knowledge of emergency response through PPT, video, and other multimedia means. Demonstration method. Teachers and civil aviation practitioners shall demonstrate the use method and operation process of emergency equipment on site. Group discussion method. Organize students to discuss cases in groups to stimulate the collision of thinking and deepen understanding. Role exercise method. Simulate the real situation and conduct emergency disposal exercise to improve the actual responsibility. Course features and innovation. Actual training-oriented teaching mode. In the course of emergency response training, the teaching mode of actual training orientation occupies the core position. The course is designed to simulate real flight situations so that students can learn and practice emergency response skills in a realistic environment. Experience the decision-making process in an emergency situation by simulating emergency events in the cabin, such as fire alarm, loss of pressure, medical emergency, etc. Improve trainees' emergency response speed and practical operation ability to ensure that they can respond quickly and correctly in real situations. Auxiliary application of advanced technology. The course takes advantage of modern technologies, such as VR, AR, and interactive simulation software, to provide students with an immersive learning experience. Integration of diversified teaching resources. The course integrates a variety of teaching resources, including textbooks, video tutorials, online courses, case studies, field training, and more. The rich resources not only meet the needs of students with different learning styles, but also ensure the comprehensiveness and depth of knowledge Students are encouraged to carry out interdisciplinary exchanges, combine psychology, medicine and other related knowledge, and improve the comprehensive ability of emergency response, continuous improvement and dynamic adjustment mechanism. In order to ensure the timeliness and effectiveness of the course design team has established a continuous improvement and dynamic adjustment mechanism. Through regular evaluation of student feedback, new industry regulations, and the application of new technologies, course content and teaching methods are constantly updated. The course will also regularly introduce the latest emergency cases, analyze their handling process, and learn lessons from them to enhance the practical guidance value of the course. This mechanism ensures that trainees have access to the latest knowledge and skills in an ever-changing aviation environment and remain able to respond to emergencies at all times. This course has been in operation for more than 10 years and has been discussed in depth with many airlines through analyzing students' learning achievements. We use offline skills assessment, online knowledge testing, teaching team collaborative assessment, student self-assessment and peer assessment to encourage students to reflect on their learning process, improve self-awareness, and mutual understanding between teams. The curriculum team conducts statistics and analysis of the data every academic year, discovers the challenges and successes of students in the learning process, conducts teaching reflection on a regular basis, and discusses the implementation effect of teaching strategies together, ensure the timeliness and relevance of the course content. In the future, we will continue to optimize the teaching design, introduce more advanced technology and teaching methods, and pay more attention to personalized and differentiated teaching to meet the learning needs of different students. We will continue to work closely with civil aviation enterprises and experts to keep pace with the times and introduce more practical cases to enhance the practicability and pertinency of the courses. Dear students, every effort and progress you make in the course is a commitment and contribution to aviation safety, and you integrate what you have learned into your daily work to make every flight a safe journey. In the face of future challenges, please maintain your enthusiasm for learning and constantly improve yourself. Emergency response training is not only about knowledge and skills, but also about responsibility and courage. In case of emergency, the calm and professional flight attendants will be the reassurance of passengers and a solid guarantee for aviation safety. I hope that in your future career, you will interpret the mission of aviation personnel with practical actions and make every takeoff and landing a poem of peace. I am Teacher Yamang. I wish all the students will harvest in the next class.